Alright guys, a few days later after 4th of July, had to wait for the people to actually have a rear window for me to come get it. So what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to go ahead and put like maybe some duct tape across it so that when I go to break it, there won't be so many little teeny pieces. So let's see how that works out. Guys, as you can see, I got most of this window out, man. Not really a hard job, it's already through. But I can say that putting a little bit of duct tape across there definitely did help out a lot. I got majority of the pieces in there. I do got a little bit of stuff I got vacuum clean up, but it's not as bad as having vacuum all of it up. Alright guys. Yeah man. So we got it pretty much started. As you see, we just wanna take it and pull it straight up all the way across. Guys, as you can see, and pops one on through. Drop that little bit there. Gluing last pieces of glass. Now we're gonna go ahead and do clean up the last little bit of glass and scrape off the excess amount of glue too. Alright guys, so when you go to replace your window, it's a little piece that connects to this. Goes right there, that little blue piece right there. That's what you want to take. That white one? That white one.